how to use this VPN here, like a post which you watch for a video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Do keep in mind, this VPN is completely not free, so you're gonna need a subscription to even get connected. However, their servers are completely fast and so pretty much you can tap on the virtual location at the bottom here to pretty much see all the servers that they have available. They have quite a lot of servers, and let me tell you, their servers are extremely fast. But you need to get a subscription to pretty much use it. You have the multi-loop option here, which you have extra layer of protection, which you can use as well, but you need a subscription. So to pretty much get a subscription, you can tap on the subscribe icon here. It will show you here what we need and the prices, pretty much everything as it relates to their subscription. They do offer free trial as well. I think it's a 7-day or 3-day free trial, but you will need to sign in. So once you have signed in, you're pretty much good to go. So in the settings option here, nothing much, we'll just show you that here in a free plan and other features as well, like VPN protocol. And as you can see here, it's on auto, but you pretty much won't be able to connect. So you're gonna need a subscription. So yeah, very easy application to use. Only thing that you're gonna need a subscription to get connected. But it's a very fast application. I've tested it before, but I do say it's very fast. So if I miss anything at all, you have any question as it relates to this VPN, you can always message me in the comment section. And yeah, that's it.